All right, what we got here is a 2000 Polaris Sportsman 500. Belongs to a friend of a friend, doing a little work to it. Was brought in for CV boots, oil change, spark plugs. I got a new seat cover for it. Some LED lights. It's got a fuel pump for it. Coil, CDI box. Got a lot of wiring problems. Someone took and I guess when they mounted the winch, running the wires back, that's the winch solenoid. Polaris battery box used to mount here. See where they took in I don't know why, there was plenty of room to mount the winch solenoid, but they beat the side of the battery box in and then just had the solenoid just zip tied up there. I gotta fix all that. Well, when they beat the battery box off, it ripped the hole in the frame. I welded it up and ground it flat. We was wire brushing the frame down here. Right here, there was a big hole, big chunk of Bondo come flying out of there. Somebody just put Bondo in there, smoothed it over, and painted over it. So that's got to be repaired. The frame's got it's got some issues that needs to be attended to. We're gonna touch them up. It didn't have any A-arm bushings. Were all worn out on it. Were gone. All the shock bushings on the rear were gone. We got new shock bushings, new A-arm bushings. Let's see, brakes. We're gonna put new brake pads. I think she's got new master cylinder for it. Put a new master cylinder on up here, new switch housing. We're gonna get it. It's just she bought this off one of those Facebook Marketplace deals. You know, and I have no idea if it even runs or not. They said they heard it run one time, went back to get it, and it didn't run no more. But, so that's that. We're working on it. Seat pan. I tore that was a seat cover that was on it. Tore it off. Somebody's carved a big crater out, a big valley out in the seat. Why? I don't know. When they put the seat cover back on, they shoved a roll of paper towels in there. Even left the cardboard tube in it. A1 upholstery. But Seat pan's all cracked, busted. So here we go, putting it all back together. All the cracks. All those have got to be fixed. Because when we pull